What are you doing at the moment to make your money? You do a million things. Hi guys, and welcome back to Arch Hamilton Racing and to another video where we're just about to get things underway here in London. Today I'm going to be meeting up with a friend of mine, TG, but before I find him and what he's arriving at, the first time my RS3 has sort of been in under the lights, shall we say, and it just looks insane. With the stealth that it has, all the bits and pieces which we've done to it, everything else. We'll probably get Tom's reaction to it as well. I don't think he likes it, if I'm totally honest, but I love it. I absolutely love it, and there will be an update on my other RS3 which is coming as well. That car is going to be here in, wow, not too far away. We're kind of weeks away now, so that is all very, very, very exciting stuff. We're not far away, but this, what the hell's happened here? Someone has destroyed my car. I was driving down an A road and then that happened. I was like, that's gonna have to get professionally done. That's gonna have the Dropless guys to come down and sort it out. If you don't know Dropless already, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment how you guys can get involved with Dropless and everything else. Game changer. Very good. Very good. Good morning, Archie. I haven't seen this before, out and about. No, I have. Do you like my knob? I like your knob. Big old boy. Mate, it's carnage. Park it up over there, please. Yes, just there. Yes. Yes, go easy on that clutch, Tom. That's unreal. Yeah, you've got all four. That will annoy a lot of people. No, it's very good. Right, we've just pulled over in Tom's Lamborghini. Very cool. I love it. I love it. And what we're going to do in this video, we're just going to have a bit of a catch up, talk about everything. And usually when you buy a car, we used to always do the video how you afforded the car. Yeah. And now we're going to do it again. How many cars do you have now?
11, 12, 10, I don't know. They're in my bio, count them, I don't know.
Okay.
But I don't know.
So you've got quite a few,
Yeah, there's a few not there, yeah.
Are you planning on getting more?
I'm a little bit sick of it all, and I'm really happy with my garage now. I'm really happy with what boxes are ticked. And
okay.
I think a GT3 Touring.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. He said I was looking good.
And he said I was looking good. And I've got to forget. Cut that.
I don't know. I might just beep it. It's even funnier. Okay. So you seem to be doing things a little bit more collectible items.
Yeah, I like collectibles. I like this kind of era, like 2006 to sort of 2015. I think was quite a good happy medium between modern and classic. I think the manufacturers out there.
Okay, so walk us around the car about what spec it is. Verde Draco. Yeah,
you called it copper, bronze, pink, gold, brown in my video.
And it's none of them.
It's none of them. It's really green. Yeah, it's Verde Draco. So it's actually the same colour as Ed Bolian in the US sprayed his.
Okay.
In Wiki. I've been learning all about this.
You don't know what you're on about.
I was like, oh, Ed Bolian's got that car. And I was like, who's Ed Bolian? I looked, he's much bigger than both of us. So
okay.
Anyway, he's got this colour.
Yep.
It's obviously a right-hand drive. It's an LP640, so it's the slightly updated version with a 6.5 litre as opposed to 6.2 or 6.3.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's a revised version. Okay, so it's slightly better than the one before. It's better, and they're all awful.
Yeah.
There's only 6 of those in the UK, and yeah, it's got this wheel option which I absolutely love because they're deep dish, and you know the size of those tyres. I mean, as it says, wherever it says, they're absolutely enormous.
I love the sort of depth of the wheel.
Okay,
yes.
Yeah, whatever it is. Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah, deep dish. They're so cool, and they're completely different to the front wheels, which I think gives it a really nice look. It's just a proper Lambo. I know that's a really kind of nerdy piston head thing to say, but it is a proper Lambo.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
Fast?
It is rapid, but you know what? It's, yeah, I mean, it'll do 211 miles an hour, I think.
Yeah, but you're not using it for that. It's a bit of a collectible for you.
It is. It's not going to go around tracks. It's not a track toy. It's a bit of a cruiser. You know, you don't want to put it on sort of tight roads or whatever, but it's good. It's a lot more palatable than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to drive than I thought. However, we'll see in my video. It's not all plain sailing.
Right, here we go, Tom. We're in.
Well,
oh, go steady on that.
Yeah.
Very nice. Lovely car to be in. Welcome
Wonderful.
aboard.
Thank you. Thanks for welcoming me to my own car.
Mate, it's really, really cool. I'm a big fan.
You buying one?
No. I will buy a
anyway.
Sorry?
Can't find one anyway.
Oh, there's one.
Alright.
They are good now, I'm winding you up. They are.
Drive it?
I would love to drive it.
Okay.
They are mega, but my supercar, we've been having a discussion, it's going to be coming soon. I'm not going to keep teasing it because I don't want to be that guy who's a bit of a tire kicker, but it is coming. There's something I need to sort first, which is quite a big deal. Once that's sorted, it will be there. And you know,
I'm excited.
Yeah.
This get back in the mix. You should drive around causing a havoc everywhere.
Yeah, this summer, 100% more London. Right, so this car,
yep.
How did you afford it? How you get that?
Yeah, I mean,
okay, how
genuinely is. How long have you got?
No,
how long is this video?
Okay, we won't. Okay, let's not, because I know you financed it through Charles and Dean anyway.
Yep.
So that's, you know, we know that.
Yep. But what do the payments look like?
What do like that? Okay, I'd love that actually. That's a good one.
Good bit of intel, there's.
Yeah, we always like payments. I like that. Okay, how much did you have to put in? Well, I know how much. I saw you do the.
You saw my car go in the machine.
I know.
I think it was 30 odd.
30 grand in, yeah.
The car was, to all intents and purposes, best part £250,000.
Yeah.
And the payments are about maybe £2 grand a month, 1900, something like that.
And then you got plus maintenance, plus everything else. So it's.
Yeah, so your warranty, you're looking at, I think, four, maybe £5 grand a year, something like that.
Really?
Yeah. Servicing, you're looking probably about the same for a big one, for a major. Lambo V12 services are £4 grand or so.
Oh.
You don't need to do that every year.
Oh, that's good.
And I'm not going to drive this that much, so I can probably get away with stretching the services out a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, bill's likely to be chunky if anything goes wrong that's not in the warranty. Yeah, you know, in a bit of a tight spot.
No, but I think they're going to go up in price. So I think what you're doing with your cars, like I said to you, you've got the Carrera GT, all these cars that you've got, these are collectible kind of cars, which...
I got a good price on this, and I'll go into that in a video soon.
Yeah.
But I got a good price on this. This car was on collecting cars, and it went for 270 odd. I'll go into my videos.
There's more to be talking about.
I think these will easily be 400, if not 500k, within the next 18 months to 2 years.
Really?
Yeah. There aren't any of these.
Yeah.
You look at a manual 599. The manual 599 is a pig compared to this. Arguably, argue with me.
Yes. Argument. That's fine.
It just doesn't have the same kind of
pizzazz. Smiles.
The way we drive.
Yes. Everything. Okay.
So yeah.
Also, we like talking about what you're doing in your business, all that sort of stuff. Yep. What are you doing at the moment to make your money? You do a million things, but I like getting an update of what they are. Actually.
Okay. Right. So I've got a day job.
Oh, you are still doing that?
Yeah, I've got a day job. I'm remote working though, so I'm around. I'll get you. I am still working.
You are, so you're still doing that, which I do know is a bit of a, with everything else, it's intense.
It is a bit intense sometimes, but my colleagues are good. If I get the job done, you know, I can do flexible-ish hours. It's fine, it works for now. I've got 2 giveaway companies. I've got Grail Watch Club, I've got Classic Giveaways. I've got Crep Chief Notify, which is unbelievable if you want to earn a second income. Yeah. We've got thousands of people churning cash in there. We've got Crep Chief NFT as well, which is the same concept as Crep Chief Notify, but it's for NFTs.
NFTs are like the new thing, aren't they?
Yeah. I
don't really know much about NFTs.
But the beauty of that is you don't really need to know much about NFTs to make money from Crep Chief NFT. It's basically just shows Joe Blogs how to buy and sell NFTs and which ones to buy. We're not pumping our own ones. We don't have any NFTs. We're not selling our own NFTs. I don't make money out of selling NFTs, like my own ones. It's, you know, Joe Blogs on the street just wants a second income, makes money out of NFTs. Anyway, thousands of people in there making money out of that. I have got about you know, 15 retainers with brands every single month that pay me on a monthly basis.
Well, we do similar thing with brands, don't we?
Yeah,
really? So we know about
commission-based brand deals, whatever. You've got YouTube AdSense. I rent some property out, and I do something else as well. I've forgotten.
You do something else actually. Oh well, you do commission-based stuff as well.
Yeah, commission-based. I said that.
Yeah.
And then you get ad hoc, like big boy partnerships as well, not just the monthly ones. So you get the kind of chucked in. And obviously, you know, if I ever sell stuff, I try and make sure I make money out of it.
Yeah, I mean, these cars fundamentally are a business asset. So if people think, you know, that
I mean,
they are, you love the content with them.
Yeah,
but
they have to be. It has to be all conducted in a business.
This
sense.
has to make financial sense to you to work. Otherwise, it's just not going to work.
Yeah. Otherwise, the whole business model doesn't work, and I don't have any cars.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm using the cars to just mess around, and I could do it anyway.
Yeah.
Unless I structure it like this, the cars don't happen. I don't have any. I don't have a merchant logo, for example. So it has to all make sense. But I've got one personal car, and then the rest are kind of YouTube cars, really.
Yeah. Okay.
So hence the limited mileage and blah blah blah.
So
they have to earn their keep.
If you didn't do what we do, YouTube, etc., would you have this many cars?
No.
Really?
No.
Okay.
No, and that's why I do the YouTube thing. That's why I do so many adverts. I have to do that. Otherwise, it's not a business, and you are just on a jolly with a load of cars and just, you know, taking the mick and calling it a business. It has to make financial sense.
How many cars do you think you'd have?
I would probably have 3, maybe 4. I'd have a Range Rover.
An F12.
No, I wouldn't have. Oh, wow. There's news on the F12.
More to come.
Yeah, more to come on that.
Yeah, we won't go into that.
I'd have a Range Rover, a modern 911 of some iteration, maybe a Turbo S.
Yeah.
Potentially a classic, and then maybe Ferrari V12, potentially like an 812 or an F12 actually, or the SLS.
Yeah, I could see
4.
you as something like that.
Yeah, so definitely wouldn't be 11. I wouldn't have collected the amount of detritus I have. But yeah,
that's kind of all, you know, all part of it. I don't think I would. I would never have the cars. Well, I've only got one at the moment, but in terms of cars which I've got coming and things like that, I wouldn't be jumping in and out of cars.
No. You wouldn't be so trigger happy with buying stuff. 100%.
No chance.
And nor would I. And there's no shame in saying that.
No.
It's an amazing job. We're so lucky to do what we do.
Yeah.
It means we can you know, man maths stupid stuff.
And I think because of the presence online and things like that, we get a chance to get in cars. We still buy all of our cars. Like, people think we're just getting freebies. I have never had a free car apart from a Press RS4 I had for 3 months. I told everyone it was a Press RS4.
Yeah.
So I think people think sometimes that we get these cars for free. Like, I don't want free stuff. I mean, now and then I would like a press car for a week here and there, but I wish. I had something the other day, I think, on my, I think it's my Turbo S when I picked it up. They're like, oh yeah, here goes TG with another discounted Porsche, because Porsche give him cars. They literally do not. I mean, I've got a lovely guy at Porsche Reading now, Cam, but other than that, Porsche don't give a toss about me. Why do Porsche need to give you free cars?
Well, they give out cars to the world and his dog, but they don't sort me out with anything really, and that's not a gripe. I mean, I don't really ask them for anything. But yeah, my monthly outgoings are on cars alone. My parking bill's about £2.5 grand a month, maybe £3 grand a month, just parking.
It's not funny.
With the monthlies and everything, we're probably looking 25 grand a month just on outgoings on cars. So if you're sick of ads in my videos,
that is not funny.
You want to see 11 cars? Well, I mean, I only ever show you 3 of them because I just don't know where half of them are half the time. But
I did.
Yeah, you know where they are. But that's why. And I don't want anyone ever looking at my platforms and going, "He's just been on a jolly." I want to go, everything has been commercialised completely. You can't ever go. It's been run as a media business. Go away.
No. Like literally, even when I was selling my RS6, you were like, "It's got to go. Business decision."
Business decision. You know, the only car I've ever, kept because I've loved it, and it's just gone completely bucked the trend of really being a sensible business decision, and it wasn't paying its way, and hence the decision I've had to make. Is my F12.
More to come. And I forgot you got the new Range Rover coming. Autobiography is the dream. That's not messing about.
No, autobiography. Yeah.
just a good old boy.
Where'd you go from there?
Can't argue.
I've gone non-scumbag spec as well. Gone for gent spec. No private plate. It's going to be a personal car.
So boring. I just wish you'd spec something good for once.
No, but I want to get left alone in there. I just want like an under the radar car.
No, it's
a personal car.
No, it's personal car. Wafting.
Business mileage sometimes.
If you have a go at the new Range Rover, you are not okay. Just saying.
You've got no idea what you're talking about.
Not like zero. You're not someone I want to ever talk to.
Like, forget it. If you don't get the Range Rover thing, forget it.
I don't want to know.
Yeah,
it's the best car in the world.
I think we're going to fall out.
Yes.
Basically.
Anyway, thanks for your time.
Yeah, no worries at all.
More to come in the summer. Lots to come in the summer. All exciting stuff. If you enjoyed it, check Tom's channel out. TGTV, TG on Instagram, all the stuff.
Yeah.
And we'll leave that one there. That's a good video.
Cheers, guys.
I'm telling them it's a good video.
Bye, Archie.